time, we take a pas de bourree, back, side, front. We're going to do a simple exercise to prepare for pas de bourree turns. Okay? So we're going to start with our feet together. Soften the knees, just put your hands on your hips for now. We're going to take the right foot and we're going to step behind. So we go behind, step to the side. Now we're going to take our right foot and we step in front. We go behind, side, front, and behind, side, front, and behind, side, front. Okay? There's our simple pas de bourree. Let's add some arms. So our arms, as we step behind, we're going to go arms out to the side, back, arms come in to the just first, out to the side. Now we go here. We go 1, 2, 3. We're making an L shape. So this is opposite arm to leg. Whichever leg you have at the front, you have the opposite arm at the front. This arm is out to the side. Now remember, with our arms, we don't want to open this arm too much, overstretching the shoulder. Always have it slightly in front of you, unless you've got really flexible shoulders and you can take this out without distorting the line. Most of the time, everyone's going to be slightly in front. Okay? So we go 1, 2, 3. Now notice, I'm on a plie, and I'm going to try my hardest not to bounce up, and down. We go round on a smooth line, on a smooth line. Okay? Back, side, front. I did those in 4 counts, so we had a pause at the end. So we went 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Let's try them in 3 counts. So in 3 counts, we would take out the pause. We go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they're just continuous. Keep going. No thought. Just keep changing feet. Okay? Now, pas de bourree turn. We're going to do exactly the same with our feet, but we're going to turn over your shoulder. So we're going to take our right foot. We're going to step behind, and as we step behind, we're going to open the line up out to here. Then we're going to step left foot over to this corner. Then we're going to step right foot back to the front. So we've gone behind, open the line up. Side, take it to the corner. Front, take it to the front. And that front step is almost just a pivot. So we're going from here to here. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you can keep these tight underneath yourself, or you can really travel them. So you could go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You could travel them in all different directions. Okay, so they just keep turning over your shoulder. Okay? Now let's incorporate that into an exercise. We're going to start with our right foot. So we go back, side, front. Back, side, front. We're going to take a pas de bourree turn. 1, 2, 3. We bring the feet together and we take a small jump. Okay? So we go right foot. Back, side, front. Back, side, front. Back, side, front. Together, jump, and get ready to go on the left foot. So if you want, you can incorporate a little slap of the left leg, just to remind yourself of what leg you're going to go on next. So we go left, right,